Imagine this scenario. You're immersed in fantastic music when suddenly a notification pops up, letting you know that you've earned $12.50 for enjoying just one song. Now, picture extending this experience to 100 songs. That's an impressive $1,250, all from the simple act of listening to music. The websites and apps I'll be introducing are largely accessible on a global scale, making them available for anyone to use. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to initiate your journey towards effortlessly earning significant cash. Starting off with the first application on our list, we have RadioEarn.com. This stands out as the least lucrative option among the apps we featured. However, as the video unfolds, the earnings per song will progressively increase. This platform rewards you for listening to radio music, and you can sign up for free to begin enjoying the radio or take advantage of their API. Payouts are processed every 15 minutes in the form of points, which can be later converted into real currency. The points are then converted to US dollars at the beginning of the following month. According to reports, certain individuals have stated that they earn between $4 to $5 for each song they listen to on this website, which is free to use. From my standpoint, this website is the least financially rewarding, and it operates with a selective acceptance process. While the website is accessible globally, the approval process may be time-consuming, and diverse income-generating opportunities may not always be readily available. Now, let's delve into the second website highlighted on our list, known as CashStars.com. This platform distinguishes itself as one of the most lucrative options, offering opportunities to complete various survey offers, get paid for watching YouTube videos, conducting Google searches, and even listening to music on Spotify, among other tasks. With CashStars.com, you can earn anywhere from $25 to $5 for each song you listen to on Spotify. Despite being globally accessible and offering high payout rates for various activities, it's crucial to acknowledge that this website has restricted access. To gain entry, you must apply and join a priority waitlist by providing your name and email address. After a month or a few months, you will receive an email invitation to create an account. After successfully setting up your account, you'll gain access to a myriad of opportunities to earn money online. These opportunities include watching YouTube videos, playing video games, retweeting tweets, browsing Google, and listening to music. Each song you listen to will yield earnings ranging from $3 to $5. The reason behind these payments is that the platform shares its ad revenue with users. Advertisers display ads around the songs, and when users listen to them, they also hear the accompanying ads. CashStars.com divides the ad revenue generated from charging various artists and individuals who create the songs, enabling users to offer feedback and suggestions for enhancing future compositions. Pause for a moment. Are you finding this video enjoyable? If your answer is yes, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. Now, let's proceed to the third website in our lineup, offering you the chance to earn money through music listening, musicgateway.com. On this platform, you can review songs created by others, and in exchange for your honest advice and feedback, you can receive compensation. Compensation ranges from a few cents to a few dollars for each reviewed song, with the process involving the receipt of a song, listening to it, and expressing your authentic opinions or feedback on the composition. As mentioned on the website, curators have the potential to earn up to £800 per month, approximately $1,000, by utilizing their submission tool. This tool acts as a platform where individuals submit their songs for review, and curators, such as yourself, listen to the submissions and provide genuine feedback. To become a curator, navigate to the bottom of the website, locate the curator section, and proceed to the next page. Once there, continue scrolling down to find the Apply Now button, which will initiate the curator application process. Provide essential personal information on the next page and click Submit to finalize your registration. Now, let's explore the fourth website on our list, where you can potentially earn income by simply listening to music. At earnably.com, users can explore diverse tasks and opportunities, such as earning money for listening to music. A notable advantage is that this platform is accessible in every country around the globe. To begin, sign up on the platform using either your Google, Facebook, or PayPal account. After setting up your account, go to the Explore section, where you'll find various offers that you can complete to accumulate points. Accumulate points and proceed to the Redeem section to convert them into real cash. For example, in the redemption section, you'll discover that 30,000 points are equal to $3 on PayPal. According to reports, some individuals have reported earning $5 for each song or video they engage with on Earnably. If you have an interest in watching videos, navigate to the left-hand side and choose the Videos option. Now, let's delve into the fifth application on our list, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. This application is named Mode Mobile and is designed to work seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. If you're searching on the Google Play Store, look for Mode, and if you're on the App Store, search for Current App as it has distinct names in each store. Regardless of the platform, you have the potential to earn up to $600 per year by just listening to songs through this app. With access to 100,000 diverse radio stations, you have the freedom to select the music that suits your preferences. This is an activity you probably engage in daily, and now you can earn $600 annually by doing so. The current app provides points as rewards for every radio station or sound you listen to, and these points can be later redeemed for a variety of services, products, or actual cash. The only limitation is that, at present, this app is exclusively accessible in the United States. If you are located outside the US, there are alternative options worth exploring. Now, let's move on to the sixth website, which distinguishes itself as one of the highest-paying platforms, albeit with a slightly more intricate setup. Please pay close attention. This website is known as playlistpush.com, where you can earn money in two ways. Firstly, by being paid for listening to music and providing reviews, and secondly, by receiving payment for promoting music you enjoy by incorporating its sounds into your videos. In the initial choice, musicians submit their music for your consideration as a playlist curator. As you listen and evaluate the songs, if you come across a piece that resonates with you, you have the opportunity to promote it on various social media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and others. The objective is to encourage widespread sharing of these new songs. If you'd rather earn income exclusively for listening to and reviewing music, opt for this choice. Simply navigate to the creator's sign-up, hover your mouse over it, and proceed to register as a playlist curator. As a playlist curator, you can generate income by reviewing and listening to music, and you have the option to include the tracks you enjoy in your playlists. PlaylistPush.com offers payments of up to $15 per song for this service, with the added benefit of instant payouts, eliminating the need for approval waiting periods. Moreover, for TikTok creators, there's an opportunity to earn income by integrating music sounds from various artists on PlaylistPush.com into your TikTok videos. The platform provides payments of up to $250 per video crafted using sounds sourced from their library. By simply joining PlaylistPush.com, exploring the available sounds, creating and posting videos on TikTok, you can receive swift payments directly to your bank account. Utilizing these options and other websites and apps highlighted in this video, accessible in your country, can enable you to effortlessly accumulate over $1,250. That concludes today's session. If you found value and enjoyment in this video, kindly give us a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chows. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.